is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com. I've got here a video of a Hijet Jumbo. This is a 2019 year car. It's near enough new, and it's got a lot of spec on this. You can see front fog lights are in there, chrome grille. It's also got a 4-inch lift which has been fitted. You can see the blocks in there. It's a body lift, so it's been lifted up 4 inches now. So you can put some pretty big mud tyres on that now and make a pretty decent car off-road. It's got a work light for the back. You see the extended cab there with the extra windows. It's got 3-side drop, as they mostly all have. Do this one-handed. Down. Nice flat bed there, so you can load with a forklift or sit on the back of it. As I mentioned, it's a nice low mileage one, and you can see the seats in good condition, not worn out. It's got 2 airbags. This one's never had a stereo in it, so you can put whatever stereo you want. It's got power windows in the front as well. So it's a fully enclosed cabin. It's got air conditioning, heating. You can keep cool, keep warm, keep dry. This has also got a higher roof as well, a bit more headroom in this. I'll just start the engine. As you see there, 12 kilometers is all it's done, which is about 8 miles, that's all. In there is 2 cameras, and they point out the front window. There's a pre-crash safety system there, so you can switch that off with this button here. Press that button, that light comes up on the dashboard. The lane keep is off, so it also means that it stops you from it switches off the camera, so it doesn't beep when you get too close to another car. But if you switch it on and you're driving near another car, you can it won't let you run into the back of it. Air conditioning, heating, 12-volt power point, 4-wheel drive is push button. Press that. That light comes on there. 4-wheel drive's now engaged. It's also got a rear diff lock as well. Press that button, put it into first gear, that lights up, and now the rear diff's locked, so difficult to get stuck in this. It's got high and low range as well. There's the lever for that. Normally you drive around higher range, but of course if you want to go up a very steep hill or pull something really heavily, carefully, you can put it into low range. You see the steering wheel, the grain on that's still brand new. That's the switch for the rear work light. It's got keyless entry, see buttons on the key there. So it's got a lot of things which modern cars have, but it is a little truck. There's the power window on this side, that works nicely. Do the other side from here as well. So there we are. This truck's on its way to America, so you could buy this truck, a similar truck to this, or if you think you can make some money being a distributor for us in America, these trucks are quite easy to find, and we can supply them to you. They can be EPA certified, all the rest of it, so this one's on its way there. If you're interested in this, have a look at our website, 𝐷𝐷𝐼𝐚ini.com. Plenty of information there about how to go about buying one of these trucks, and we'll look forward to seeing you on there. Thank you very much for watching.